Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix packet loss in Fortnite and reduce your ping with simple and effective steps. First, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection because cable internet is far more stable and reduces packet loss instantly. Next, restart your router and wait about 30 seconds before turning it back on to refresh your connection. After that, close all background apps that use internet, like downloads, streaming, or cloud syncing. Then open Fortnite settings and make sure the correct region is selected, choosing the closest server to your location for lower ping. You should also disable VPNs or proxies if you were using any, since they often increase lag and packet loss. Next, update your network drivers and make sure Windows is fully updated. Finally, avoid peak network usage times if possible, as heavy traffic can affect stability. These steps should significantly reduce packet loss and improve your Fortnite connection. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.